Today we're gonna change the rear brake pads of the Hellcat. 2021 Dodge Hellcat Widebody. The brake pad has been here since new, so this is 46,000 miles. This is the first time we're changing the rear brake pads, and this is my brother mechanic, the most expensive and cheapest mechanic in the world at the same time, with a degree in electrical engineering. So same process, 2 punch here, and the clip, you saw the punch and the clip, you use a sharp thing to punch it out, and then the thing slides out, right? The brake pad slides out. Okay, you don't need a clamp, you just have to push the piston. This is a 4-piston brake pad. It just slides out, and you replace it with a new pad, and just repeat the process. It's pretty simple, but if nobody shows you it, you wouldn't know. So just slowly pry it out of there. It will slide out, and then you slide in the new one, put the clip, return the punch pins, and you're good to go. But of course you have to embed it while driving. See,
this one is bad.
Yeah, this one is ready to go. So the problem with the Hellcat, it doesn't have, the brake pads doesn't have sensors to tell you that you're done. All right, where's the new one? Right behind you. Here's the part number of the brake pad. You can screenshot if you want. Is that what it looks like? And this is the old one, the new one versus the old one. You can see the thickness difference, right? Let me show you that properly. Let's see, old one versus the new one. This is the stock Brembo. This one. This is the new one. This. Alright. Slide it back in. Eye-back springs. There you go. Okay, you see the new pad? Yeah. Let's just slide in.
Pinakalaming na brake mo, pinakapos mo.
Yeah, well, that's why it's expensive, because it's easy. Because the design of this is you can easily change it when you go on the track. You put track pads, and after the track you replace it with the regular pads. That's why Brembos are like that. Although the Brembo pads are very, very expensive. Good thing, a lot of companies make replacement Brembo brake pads that work as well. So just repeat it on the other side, right? Just slide it in. Takes a little patience to wiggle it in, just to kind of slide it in slowly and all that. Now we're returning the push pins back. You can see, and the clip. So that's it. It basically takes less than 10 minutes. Sometimes the longest part is gathering your tools, and for us, we talk too much and we video, so it really doesn't take that long. So if you just know the step by step, this is what it takes. But make sure you embed it by driving it. You can Google how to embed it properly. Basically, you just do speed run, brake hard, speed run, brake hard, and then regular speed, brake hard, until it really embeds with the rotor, because the rotor still has the residue from the old brake pads. So you want to make sure that the new brake pads replace that coating, and it's balanced all the way through. That's it. So maybe 10 minutes per side if you're not talking and you have the right tools gathered. So you go to the other side. That's the new one right now. You can see how nice it is. Like I said, 10 minutes on each side. Two punch pins and a clip. Slide the old one out, slide the new one in, then you're done. All right. Okay, now you know.